See this, guys? By just converting PDF to Word, I'm just getting $5 from one person. See this, 420% he has already given the service to. You can see this, $15 by just converting ebook to PDF or Word file. See this, 556 customers he has serviced, and you can see $20 from each person. Do you want to know how these people are actually earning good amount of money worldwide by just sitting at home? Just watch along this video. I show you step by step what software they are using, how they are earning, and what potential is having by just earning money online. Follow along this video and I'll show you step by step. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just converting PDF format to Word or Word format to PDF. It's absolutely amazing, guys. You can see how people are actually earning this much amount. You can see, I just need to type here PDF to Word conversion. Okay, you can also do it, guys. You can see this PDF to Word, you just need to type, and you can see, guys, people are actually giving service. Guys, $5. You can see the number of people, 460, more than 460 people are actually taking this service, just PDF to Word conversion. You can see this, guys. If I just can calculate, okay, I just need to calculate, online calculator I am having. Okay, if I just can calculate this much, that 460, okay, 460 into your how much, $5. Okay, you can see this, guys, $2,300 by just converting PDF into Word. People, see, $20 by just I will format, design, edit Microsoft MS Word document and PDF. Okay, they are doing the editing part. You can see I will convert PDF to Word and Word to PDF. Guys, absolutely amazing. And one thing I just need to give you, that you can convert not only this PDF to Word, but you can also offer lot of service. Okay, you can convert MP4 files to MVC files. Okay, there are lots and lots of players that you can see that you can give the offered this service to them. Okay, I'll show you how you can do it. You can see this, guys, lots and lots of people are actually earning this much amount. Okay, how we can do it the same. Okay, so I'll just show you step by step. Just follow along this video. Okay, so first of all, what I need to do, guys, okay, if I want to give this service, so what I need to do, I just need to first sign in. Okay, I just need to first sign in with the Google account that you have created. Okay, so just sign in with the Google account that you have created. Okay, and just give the password of your Google account, and I'll show you how you can do it. Okay, so I'm in this profile. You can see this. I just need to click on this switch to selling. Okay, and you can see this, you just need to click on this share your gig. Okay, so it will take some time to load. You can see this, guys. Okay, so I just need to create a new gig. You can see this, guys, I just need to create a new gig. So you are in this panel. You can see this, guys. Okay, so I will convert PDF file to Word file. You just need to type this. Okay, so you can see this, guys, programming and tech and convert files. Okay, this is a service that you can offer. You can see this, select a service or a type. Okay, convert to another file. Okay, and what you can do here, just click on this PDF or doc. You can see, okay, convert it to doc. Okay, so you can do this thing, and I just need to give programming. Okay, and convert PDF. Okay, PDF and Word Okay, PDF to Word to PDF. Okay, so you can select this these tags. Okay guys, so maximum 5 tags you just need to enter. Just click on this save and continue. Okay, so just wait for this, and you can see this guys. Just wait for this time, and you can see this guys. Yes, I just need to select a basic package guys. Okay, so the basic package name is basic. Okay, and you can see I will convert 5 PDF to Word file. Okay, that's it guys, that's it. Delivery time is same day. Okay, delivery time is same day. Okay, revision you can do 1, and just set up minimum price of $5 guys. It's absolutely free of cost. Okay, you just need to click on this save and continue. Okay, you can see this. Okay, because we are giving the service within the same day, so no extra charges. Okay, so you just need to give a brief description about your gig. Okay, so you can see this guys, I have written a small description about you. Okay, so you can see I can convert PDF file to Word file and Word file to PDF with 100% accuracy and precision. I can do editing as well as the documentation. Okay, as well for the documents. Okay, so you just need to click on this save and continue. You just see this guys, what requirement I just need to give. You can give the file to convert. Okay, just give this requirement, and you just need to click on this add button and just click on this save and continue. Okay, so you now guys, gig photo. So lots and lots of people are asking me a question that, sir, please give us how to set up a gig photo, how we can make a gig photo. Okay, you just need to just come up in this canva.com. okay, just come up in this canva.com, and what you need to do, you just need to create a collage. Okay, you just need to create a collage, and here what you need to select. Okay, here what you need to select is to advertise. Okay, advertise your gig. Okay, so what I need to do here, you just need to write here, convert Word file to PDF file. Okay, you just need to write this. Okay, and you can select some elements. Okay, and you can see PDF, select it. Okay, so guys, it's a paid version. Okay, so these are the paid versions. Don't worry guys, you can select, you can do one thing, just come up here in this Google. Okay, just come up here in this Google and just type PDF to Word. Okay, just need to type PDF to Word. Okay, just click on this images, and you can see this picture. Okay, so you just need to save this image, and what you can do, just download it. Okay, you can see it. Okay, it's not an image, so I just take an image. Okay, so save an image. I hope this is an image. So let's see. Yes, it's an image. So I just need to download it, and what I need to do here, just need to upload it. Okay, upload whatever we have downloaded. So I just need to upload it. Okay, you can see this guys. Okay, so you just need to do this part. Okay, just make it more you can see this PNG format you need to select, and just click on this download button. Okay, you can see, make it more attractive guys with some colors. Okay, and you just need to come up here and just download it. Okay, just need to upload this. Just click on this download. Okay, convert PDF to Word. You can see this guys. Okay, it's amazing. Okay, so I don't think that anyone can think about this, that we can also offer this Word file to PDF file conversion. Okay, so what I need to just click on the save and continue, and you can see this, guys, you are good to go. Okay, just click on this publish your gig and you are done. You are done with this. See this, your gig is live. Okay, so this is one way. Now I just want to tell you that, guys, how to convert PDF file to Word file. Okay, there is an online software. Okay, so there is an online software. You just need to type PDF to Word, okay, conversion, convert online. Okay, PDF to Word convert online. Okay, you can see this, guys. You can see you just need to select it. Okay, I just show you one PDF file. Okay, so let me just take a PDF file. Okay, this is my PDF file that I have taken. Okay, so it will do the uploading part. You can see this. Okay, it will do the convert to Word. Just need to convert, click on this thing, and it's absolutely free of cost, guys. You can see on your within seconds you can offer this service. Okay, and at the same point of time you are getting paid for that. You can see this, guys. You can see this is my Word document. Okay, what I did, just upload it and that's it. Okay, and you can do various kind of conversions. You can see, guys, you can offer this much amount. You can convert PDF to PowerPoint, okay, PDF to Excel. Now it depends upon you. I just show you one service. Now it depends upon you how you yourself can offer this much amount of service. Okay, just you need to upload the documents from your client and just upload it, guys. It's absolutely free of cost part-time job that you can offer. Okay, just do create it, and please hit the like button so that there is always a motivation to give you the best content, guys. Okay, I am doing it regularly. Why? Because lots and lots of people are lost their job, so there is always a motivation to give you guys a motivation that you cannot lose hope, and you can also earn money online by following these tactics. Okay, I hope you like this video, guys. Just subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and share it to each and every person, guys. Okay, each and every person who don't know how to earn money online. Okay, it would be a great help from my side. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. Okay, we'll see you in the next video. Happy earning.